Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla. I am the software industry expert from past 2 decades. I have worked with different online web applications and data analysis, data analytics and data science projects to ensuring and making real world concepts are added in this Google spreadsheet course. Yes, all the formulas what we discussed here which are relevant to online and real world data experiments. So try to practice all real world exercises over here. Getting started. Introduction. Welcome here to use this online tutorial to speed up and slow down videos to complete the program. Learn at any time from anywhere using internet connected mobile or computer system. Make sure to use practical exercises for your hands-on sessions. How to get help? Check your knowledge using documents. For instance, quick help, Google or Stack Overflow search engine techniques to apply and resolve your error codes. Submit your questions on asking QA forums for details what you have tried with a screenshot of error code practiced by you. And how to approach the course. This is an important for beginners and who are start learning from online courses. The best way to approach the course is to review videos with practical hands-on sessions. Follow the video guide with extra notebook information for practice. Note on every formula and keyboard shortcuts separately to memorize and how to apply quickly to make a master and learn the standards of Google Spreadsheet mastery. Review certain information by reading examples and parts of video session. Pause the video lecture and play repeatedly to strongly learn the concept from scratch. Exercise and solution. Yes, this course you will be assigned a simple Google Spreadsheet exercises. On this course training, test why we are going to assigning these exercises to test your skill level based on previous lectures what you have learned. So anyhow you will be provided solution for these assessments. I hope you will enjoy this course parts by parts on every formula. Thank you.